Hey guys, Common Sense Outdoorsman. I've got another knife to show you, an Odenwolf knife, and I am an affiliate for Odenwolf. You can get 10% off on their website. I'll give you that information in the description below. So this is the W Picnic. This is a folding knife, and obviously by the name, you can use this when you're out on a picnic. So this is going to be a food prep knife, okay? And so it's a folder 420 stainless steel. So that'll be very much so stainless. And the handle is some type of synthetic material. I didn't see where it said, what it was, but it's fairly, you know, fairly stiff, and it looks like it would last a good long time. And it does have, I don't know if you could see in the camera, but it does have a little pattern on there, so it does give it some grip. And the pivot pin, you cannot adjust that, but I don't think that there would be a need to adjust it. And it's just a finger pull. You just grab it there, open it up, and it will lock with that liner lock that you see there. And this is and there is the Odenwolf logo. It is a serrated blade. Okay, so these serrations are a little bit jagged, the jagged style of serration. So it will cut your bread and your food, your sausage, your sandwich, and do all kinds of other food prep tasks, okay? No problem at all. And they are sharp, even though they're the jagged tearing type. They are sharp, and as you saw at the beginning, it will cut different materials just fine. And I did notice that when it's folded, the spine, especially towards the tip here, is fairly sharp, so it will come in handy as a ferro rod scraper if you need one. Okay, I thought that was pretty cool. I kind of it's built well. It feels really good. Here's the box. Let me show you the box. I'd like to do that if you want to read that information. Okay. But it is fairly sturdy. The blade is very thin. It's a bendy blade, so it's for food prep. But you can do other things with it. And I didn't have it on the video, but you could also notch wood with it. It does that fine. I hope this is the beginning of a series for Odenwolf, because I could see them doing this with other blades in it. Maybe do one with both the serrated and a fine edge blade in there, and maybe get into doing some things that like a Swiss Army knife would do, put different tools in them, so on and so forth. I would also like to see one with different serrations, just the smoother style, not as jagged as these, but a little bit smoother. I think those would be better for, if you're cutting soft bread or soft fruit or something like that. It might be a little bit better than these jagged type of serrations. But yeah, a nice pocket friendly. Okay, you just fold it up and the retention's good. That's not going to come out of there. You could slip that in your pocket, slip it in a pack in your cooler. Very easy to carry. I didn't weigh it. Let's since I've got my scale right here, why not? And this thing weighs, oh gosh, it's a hefty 1.5 ounces. So yeah, very light, take anywhere, useful folding knife. The W Picnic, comfortable in hand, by the way. I like the way, they designed the handle. Gives you a good grip for food prep. Very comfortable. So the Odenwolf W Picnic. I like it. That's going to be on their Odenwolf site. If you use the discount code CCO10, you can get a 10% discount on what you buy from their website. All right, guys. Thanks for watching Common Sense Outdoorsman. We'll talk to you next time. Oh, and one more thing, guys. It is $16.90 on their website as of this date, and I did see that it said next to it free shipping, so I don't know if that applies on everything or just this knife. I'm not sure, but right now it's running for $16.90. It does say free shipping, and then you can get a 10% discount off of that. All right, guys. Bye.